In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wise bank account to Payoneer. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First, make sure you're connected to the internet and open your preferred web browser. Head to the Payoneer website. For those of you who are new, Payoneer is an online payment platform that serves both individuals and businesses globally, providing a robust solution for cross-border transactions. Once you're on the Payoneer homepage, you'll want to look for the Sign In button. You'll find this prominently displayed, usually at the top right corner. Click on it and use your login credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but that's a topic for another video. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Payoneer homepage. From this dashboard, you can manage all your financial activities hosted within Payoneer, from invoices to payments, and importantly, linking bank accounts. What you need to do next is navigate towards the Manage option. This can typically be found as a part of the settings or your account options, depending on the latest layout updates. Once you've clicked on Manage, you'll see a section that allows you to add and manage various bank accounts. Here, a button labelled Add Account will appear. Clicking this button will start the process of linking your Wise bank account to Payoneer. Ensure that you have your Wise account details handy for the next steps. Now, entering your Wise account details is crucial, as accuracy here will determine the success of the linkage and future transactions. Be prepared to fill in fields like your account name, number, and bank code. Cross-check these details against those in your Wise account to avoid any issues later. Take your time here. A little patience ensures that no mistakes undermine the smooth interconnectivity of your accounts. Follow any additional on-screen instructions, as sometimes Payoneer might require verification steps or additional documentation to process and confirm the new account link. This process might involve verifying small deposit amounts or confirming ownership through documentation, all standard procedures to maintain security. And there you have it. With everything correctly in place, your Wise bank account is now successfully linked to your Payoneer profile. You can now transfer funds between these platforms seamlessly. These steps are essential tools for anyone looking to enhance their financial management via Payoneer. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful guides like this.